Hi everyone, Adrienne here. You haven't seen me live before, so this is the first time. Or there was a video actually where I have appeared, but that was a long time ago. So hello there. Well, in this video, I would like to ask for your help because, well, I am not in the best situation at the moment. I am still looking for a job, and until that, I would like to support myself from other sources, and this is the channel that I am working on, spending my time on, and I thought I will ask for some support from you if you are open to that. The options to support this channel, if you would like to, is there are actually two options, three. One option is to watch the videos and like it and share it with your friends and on social media so that the videos reach more people. That's a free option to help me, and I am very grateful for all of you who are already doing this. The second option is through PayPal. I have added a paypal.me link in the description below into every video, and you can donate to the channel and to me so that I can continue working on this channel, and you can basically help me with this. This is the easiest way. And the third option is that I am creating artworks, animal designs, and fantasy paintings, and I am selling these on merchandise like t-shirts, pin buttons, journals, pillows, like these ones are something I have made, and this one too. So I have a few Zazzle stores and the Redbubble stores where I am selling these, and if you like any of these are my paintings, but I have cartoon animal designs as well, which look good on t-shirts and baby clothes and on pillows too. So if you check those out, maybe you like any of them, then you can get some of these as gifts for yourself or your friends, and with that way you can also support me and my channel. Your help is very needed at the moment, that's the truth, and I am very grateful for everyone who has already bought something from my stores. The links are always in the description below of each video, at the bottom part of the description box. So I am very grateful and very happy, and thank you for all of you who have already bought something from my stores. It really helps me a lot. I am planning to go get some coaching because I feel a bit stuck at life in the moment, so that's what I am collecting money at the moment. So any help for that would be very appreciated. And yes, that's my plan actually, to go to a coach and to put my life together, because I have made a decision with this divorce, and things have fallen apart. So I would like to work on myself and put my life together again, and I feel like I need help from outside help, because I am doing what I can, looking at the internet, getting some information. I am practicing different techniques and so on and so on, but I still feel like that I need some help from other people, and that's not too cheap, we can say. So that's what I am collecting money now. And if you could donate me or get something from my store, then you could help me with this. So that's what I am asking for, your help. So please, if you can, if you like the videos, only if you want to, this is nothing else, just if you feel like donating, then please do so. That would really help me. I am planning to continue posting videos. I have a few already recorded, some how-to videos, and we will see what else I can do later. But I am planning to make one video a week. That's the plan, and we will see how this will go. That's all I wanted to talk to you about this time, and I thought I will show my face too, so that you can see who is making the videos, who is behind all these videos that I have made. Now you have seen me, and I feel a bit nervous talking to you like this. Well, thank you so much for watching this video and for being here with me and being here all the time, all these years. I know I had a year or more when I was not so active, but now I am back, or at least I am trying to create more content for the channel, because I still love gardening a lot. Things are changing, many things are changing, but I hope that things will turn to the better, because, well, life has its own spiral, and sometimes we are up, then we are down, but we are still moving upwards in our. I had a call. I hope this doesn't disturb the video. Well, so that's what I wanted to share, just that this is a spiral thing, how we are evolving, and sometimes we are up, sometimes we are down, but still we are moving upwards in our learning process. So that's what we must accept, that this is how we are evolving and it's happening. But I am trying to be very optimistic and hopeful and looking forward that everything will turn out to be better. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope that your life is going well too, that you will get, if you are in a downward or lower space at the moment, that you will also rise up very soon. So I wish you this, that you get all the goods in life if you don't have at the moment. Thank you for watching this video. Have a beautiful day and see you in the next gardening video. Bye bye.